Welcome to Think AI. In today's video, we'll show you how to create stunning cartoon animations like this one using completely free AI tools. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this step-by-step guide will help you craft engaging animated stories effortlessly. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest content. Let's dive in. Do you want to make animated videos like this? Skylar became a constant companion in Oliver's adventures. One crisp autumn day, as golden leaves fell from the trees, Oliver took Skylar to a hill overlooking the village. There, he opened his hands, and Skylar fluttered to the edge, gazing at the open sky. Tears welled in Oliver's eyes as he whispered, "Fly, Skylar, be free." Today, I'm going to show you how to create this cartoon animation with free AI tools. So let's jump into it. We have 6 steps to make these animations. Step 1. Create the story. For creating a story, go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a short child story. Tell it what you want the story to be about. For example, I asked it to write about a young boy and his bird. Once you're happy with the story, copy it and paste it into a Google Note. Step 2. Voiceover. Now, we need a voiceover to narrate the story. You can use any AI voiceover software. I used 11 Labs for this. Go to 11 Labs, choose the voice that suits your story's tone, paste your story. And generate the voiceover. Once ready, download it. Step 3. Image ideas. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it for image ideas for each paragraph of the story. It will provide image prompts that you can use for generating visuals. Step 4. Generate images. Use an AI image generator to create visuals based on the image ideas. You can use tools like MidJourney or Leonardo AI. Step 5. Create animation. To animate the images, use Runway Gen-2. Upload each image, adjust motion settings for better results, and generate short animated clips. Download all the animated clips. Step 6. Editing. Use any video editing software to compile the animations and voiceover. In this example, CapCut was used. Import the videos and voiceover, sync them, add transitions, effects, captions. Then, export the final video. Once upon a time in the quaint village of Willowbrook, there lived a young boy named Oliver. His days were filled with the ordinary joys of childhood, but what made his world truly extraordinary was a tiny, colorful bird named Skylar. Skylar was a magical bird with feathers shimmering in hues of blue, green, and gold. Oliver found Skylar one sunny morning while exploring the nearby woods. Injured and unable to fly, Skylar was lovingly nursed back to health by Oliver with the support of his compassionate parents. Day by day, the bond between the boy and the bird deepened. One crisp autumn day, as golden leaves fell from the trees, Oliver took Skylar to a hill overlooking the village. There, he opened his hands, and Skylar fluttered to the edge, gazing at the open sky. Tears welled in Oliver's eyes as he whispered, "Fly, Skylar. Be free." That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful content. See you soon.